Hello, welcome back to Everyday English. In today's video, we will be focusing on an essential grammar that is commonly used in everyday conversation, and that is adverbs of manner. Let's get started. Definition of an adverb. In grammar, an adverb is a word such as slowly or very, which adds details about time, place, or manner of something that happened. How to make an adverb. Many adverbs are made from adjectives by adding ly. Here are some adjectives that can be turned into adverbs. Slow, quiet, and fast. Slowly, quietly, and fastly. If an adjective ends with y, we drop the y and we add ily. For example, easy, easily, angry, angrily, happy, happily. Examples. If an adjective ends with l, we add an extra l. For example, doubtful, doubtfully. Rule of an adverb. Let's look at these two examples. She eats cookies too slowly. The train travels quickly. The rule of an adverb describes how an action verb performs. In this first example, the adverb shows us how she is eating. She is eating slowly. In the second example, the adverb shows us how the train travels. The train travels quickly. To sum up, the adverb describes the action verb. Before we move on to the next part, I'd very much appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's look at these exercises and see how far you understood. Here is a tip that could make things easier for you. Pay attention to the verbs. David opened the bottle carefully. He ran to school quickly. She lived happily. She dances terribly. As we talked about before, adverbs describe verbs. The word trip is a noun, so we use an adjective to describe it. The trip was quick. The word look here is a verb, but a stative and not an action verb. Therefore, we use an adjective to describe it. You look sad. The adverb well is a very common word in the English language. It can be used to describe verbs. He plays guitar good. He plays guitar well. We have an action verb, so the sentence is incorrect if you say he plays guitar good. Instead, we should say, he plays guitar well. The chicken soup was well. The chicken soup was good. The correct way to describe the quality of the chicken soup, since both words are nouns, is to say, the chicken soup was good. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll be grateful. Take care.